Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Guess what? It's finally arrived. So, Samsung heard the news about the Galaxy A series that I previously unboxed, the Samsung Galaxy A17 for Tracfone since last night, and especially due what I have so much times that I have been working on of the Galaxy A unboxing video after the Galaxy S unboxing, like the S Ultra. So here it is right now. By the way, if you're gonna see the latest video, the recent video that I unboxed right here about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, or even the Galaxy A16, so go check it out in the link in the description down below. So, and you don't want to miss it or watch it. So today I'm be unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G for Tracfone. So if you want to know to see a new phone came out, it's the reason. So if you want to know about what's gonna be a good news for a new phone, so I cannot wait to look forward from it. So let's get right to the unboxing, and I'll get my tripod ready. Let's go! Alright guys, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A17 for Tracfone, powered by Verizon Wireless. So, it has 5G on it. Let's start with this box right here. So it says 6.7 Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, 5 megapixels plus 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 13 megapixel front facing camera, battery talk time up to 47 hours. As you can see, there's a picture of the Samsung Galaxy A17 right here. Sharper video, smoother photos, now with the optical image stabilization. Packages, it says here, the features 128 gigabytes of storage. It's the same storage as the A16 does. Micro SD card up to 2 terabytes, 2.4 gigahertz plus 2.0 gigahertz. Octa-core processor, Wi-Fi calling capable. The packages included the phone itself, Activision card, USB-C charging USB charging cable, quick start guide, about your phone booklet, and how it works. So yeah. Alright, let's open it up. Got the scissors ready. Alright. I have to move back. Alright, here we go. Alright, here it is. So, let's see what's inside here. Got the Activision card. Let's see, quick start guide. Let's see, about your phone, instruction manuals for the Galaxy A17. The phone itself will come back after. And the USB-C cable, it's the same as the Galaxy A16 does, and with a SIM injection tool as well. Alright, let's take a look at the phone itself. Here we go. So I had a hard time. Wow. Wow, check it out. So, here's the phone itself. So let's take a look. So it says here 13 megapixel camera, front facing camera in the back. The front facing camera, 13 megapixel front facing camera. As you can see, all screens, Super AMOLED display. This camera right here and the flash right here. SD card slot, as you can tell. It does have an SD card slot. So 2 terabytes. Hold on one sec. Alright. Let's open. Alright, so hold on. Alright, so as you can tell right here, oh, I dropped it. There's a SIM card right here, and a micro SD card slot. Bang with me. I don't have an SD card, so we'll get to that soon. And we have like power button, a volume button, rocker switch up or down, and a microphone up and down. On down here is charging port, a USB-C port, a speaker grill, and a microphone. Alright, let me clean this dirt off on my thing. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There it goes. Let's see if it turns on. Yep, it does the same thing. Instead of Tracfone animation, it says Verizon. We'll wait for it to come up into software update. And here it is. Alright. I'm gonna have to go set it up, and I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon with the tour. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. It was like 3 months long. So I put the case and the screen protector on. So let's take a look at the tour of this Samsung Galaxy A17. So we got all apps, a few apps. So I'm not gonna put all apps on it, so just a few apps. And it has 128 gigabytes of storage. So let's see, and also go Google and all that stuff. All of my stuff that is searched, and then all apps, and then go to the camera and see me behind the camera, and also we can zoom out right here, and then it's kind of looks like a perfect resolution on this phone. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, alright guys, so that concludes of the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless. So there will be a test coming soon, the camera test, so get more details about that. So yeah, So, like and comment, subscribe, and let me know about it. So we're going to subscribe to my 3 channels, Privacy J Productions 1, 2, and 3, and my content, all of my social medias will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia. Instagram, JTech727. Snapchat is Scoots0727. Follow me on X, Privacy J NYC1. And follow me on TikTok, Privacy J Official, same name on Instagram. So thanks for watching, and peace out.